What is the best gun to purchase right now? When it comes to purchasing firearms, there are several possibilities available on the internet. But how can we choose the finest among them? In this video, we present some of the best handguns in the market right now. And hey, stay till the end of the video because these guns could one day save your life. Smith & Wesson Equalizer. Although the market is flooded with 9mm micro-compact handguns, manufacturers are still working to improve the design in an effort to provide the ideal carry weapon. The Equalizer pistol, a micro-compact with optics ready and a maximum capacity of 15+1 in 9mm, is Smith & Wesson's most recent attempt. The Equalizer is a development of the company's series of EZ pistols that makes use of a lot of the same technology to create a concealed carry gun that is easier to operate. It also means that the recoil impulse has been muted. The slide is simple to rack and a single-action trigger enables speedy follow-up shots by enabling a quick take-up, clean break, and quick reset. White dot sights are standard on every Equalizer handgun, but the slides can also accommodate optics. The S&W Equalizer handgun is remarkably comparable in dimension to the SIG P365XL, measuring 6.75 inches long, 1.04 inches thick, and weighing 22.9 ounces. It sports an Armor Knight coating on the stainless steel barrel and slide, a 3.675-inch barrel, and an internal hammer system for firing. The textured polymer grip features an 18-degree angle for a natural point of aim, and the manual ambidextrous thumb safety and grip safety allow for secure cocked and locked carry. The slide uses easy-to-rack technology to accommodate a range of requirements, and the frame has a Picatinny-style rail where lights or lasers may be mounted for any defensive scenario. For improved accuracy, a redesigned optic cut pattern enables the user to add their preferred sight, and the 3.675-inch barrel's greater sight radius improves iron sight precision. A loaded chamber indicator and a reversible magazine release are additional noteworthy features. Additionally, the Equalizer has a novel grip texture and pattern that is intended to improve both carrying comfort and shooting control. Taurus 66 Mag. The Brazilian firearms business Taurus International produces the Taurus Model 66 revolver. It debuted in 1997 as a modernized Model 65 from the firm and comes with a number of upgrades, chief among which is a larger and more comfortable grip. The Model 66 comes with a 4 or 6-inch barrel and is available in the .357 Magnum and .38 special calibers. It has comfortable rubber grips and a rich, lustrous finish. The 66 is the perfect self-defense weapon since it has fixed front sights, adjustable rear sights, and a proprietary single-action, double-action trigger for better accuracy and quickness. The Model 66 is another example of how long-lasting and dependable Taurus revolvers are. It is constructed on a robust frame that can sustain years of use, and its cylinder is made to withstand wear and tear and is mounted on a sturdy frame that can sustain years of operation. The rifle also has a smooth trigger pull that facilitates accurate shooting. In general, anyone searching for a solid and economical revolver could choose the Taurus Model 66. These revolvers have long been a security staff favorite and are ideal for Homeland Defense Forces. Colt Python. Colt has brought back the legendary revolver that launched the Snake series in 1955. The Colt Python is a reliable gun that upholds the Colt reputation for dependability and accuracy. One of its most highly regarded qualities is how smoothly it operates in both single-action and double-action shooting. They vented the complete top lug and inserted a full-length bottom lug made of that sturdy steel alloy. A balanced revolver already existed with the original Colt Python. Accuracy and comfort are provided by the smooth movement. Many law enforcement officials carried the original Colt Pythons before semi-automatic handguns became popular. The new Python is stronger than the original while maintaining excellent balance because of the full-length lugs above and below the barrel. The new Python is adaptable and can fire both .357 Magnum and .38 special rounds, and it's really stunning. Colt was able to resurrect the Python and make it as magnificent as it had been before thanks to modern metallurgy and a little innovation. A rear sight improves accuracy for shooters. You may be more precise by making it customizable. Colt revolvers are renowned for their precision at a distance. The rear sight's adjustment is another characteristic that contributes to accuracy. An orange inlay is present in the front sight to aid in better sight images. One of the hues with the greatest visibility to human eyes is orange. In low-light circumstances such as dawn or dusk, hunting, or a self-defense scenario, a brilliantly colored sight is easier to see. Colt planned ahead to provide you with the options for this sight as well. If you want a clear front sight, remove the orange insert. The new Colt Python stainless steel body is highlighted by magnificent walnut grips and a recognizable Colt medallion emblem. The majority of Colt gun buyers adore how this firearm manufacturer flawlessly combines style and function. The Snake series and the Python in particular serve as excellent examples of this talent. The latest Python is an exceptional revolver that will shine in any collection. It satisfies the strictest requirements for quality in the gun sector. Ruger LCR .38 Special. One category of revolvers continues to be the top-selling despite an almost uniform switch to. The 5-shot .38 Special revolver just won't go away. The demand for these practical ankle and pocket weapons is being met by a number of producers. But Storm Ruger & Company's LCR has set a new standard: semi-auto handguns and police duty holsters. Ruger spent a lot of effort and money designing the LCR, especially the internet component geometry and how they interconnect. The materials, form, and functionality of this design are all absolutely unique. It is the revolver of the 21st century, and it may alter how we all perceive the traditional wheel gun. The LCR has a distinctive design that sets it apart from other revolvers. The polymer fire control housing, aviation aluminum monolithic frame, and substantially fluted stainless steel cylinder are the three primary parts of the 13.5-ounce small frame 5-shot LCR. An aluminum mainframe allows a polymer frame that supports the fire control components, adding strength while minimizing weight. The double-action only trigger pull on the LCR is specially designed to reduce friction between the firing parts. The stainless steel cylinder and rifled barrel liner required to manage the firing pressure are built into the aluminum frame. .38 cartridges with a special +P rating to reduce weight and reduce the potential to print or show how through a pocket several minor pieces are made of titanium, and the cylinder is very deeply fluted. However, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, as the LCR fires ferociously. To lighten the overall feel, the Ruger designers incorporated an eccentric cam arrangement in the firing control mechanism. The LCR, like all double-action revolvers, needs to fully engage all of the mechanics to rotate the cylinder and bring the hammer to full cock. Smith & Wesson Governor. The 6-round Smith & Wesson Governor revolver is ideal for home defense and survival shooting. It can fire .410 2.5-inch shells, .45 ACP, and .45 Colt rounds, and comes with all the necessary moon clips. When selecting your Governor model, you have two low-profile front sight options: a dovetailed night sight or a blank wrap sight. Both have the same rear sight, a no-snag notch, while the other model is made of stainless steel. The model with the night sight has a stainless PVD cylinder. Both have a scandium alloy frame and a stainless steel barrel with a rifle. A typical release latch on the back secures the cylinder into the frame, but the spring-loaded ball bearing at the front of the cylinder crane makes it special. The plunger on the typical Smith & Wesson revolvers is spring-loaded, but this one locks into the bottom of the ejector shroud. This design, in my opinion, is excellent. Outspent cases are significantly simpler to punch. Compared to the majority of other SNW revolvers, the trigger is also much better. It has a single double action, and in a single action breaks at about 4.5 pounds. It breaks with a double action of between 10 and 11 pounds. The trigger is always easy to pull, always crisp, and always the same. Recoil is manageable, even the Governor only weighs roughly 30 ounces. The synthetic grip helps with this because it allows for a full 3-finger grip and contributes to the revolver's overall balance. The most kick will come from 45 Colt rounds, but even without a recoil spring, it's still controllable. You'll need to utilize the 2 full moon clips and the 3 2-shot moon clips that Smith & Wesson offers with a Governor if you're shooting .45 ACP loads. The quickest way to reload is with full moon clips, and all of the loads have ejected flawlessly with little pounding. Keep in mind that the cylinder has a raised rim all the way around it before using any half-moon clips. A jam could easily result from this. If you want to watch more gun-related videos, please subscribe to our channel. So, you've learned about the best firearms in the market, but do you know which ones you should avoid? Click on this video to find out which guns you should avoid next.